Did you know that in the Galileo marketplace, you can resell your purchased pNFT? Here's how. To start, go to your profile, wherein you'll see all of your owned pNFTs. For instance, this is a painting I purchased for 200 USDT. Now I would like to sell it for more than 200 USDT. Let's set the price at $300. Now that I've set the new price, click Resell. First, you'll have to approve the transfer of that pNFT from your wallet to Galileo Marketplace. Once the approval is done, it will show another transaction to confirm the resell. Click the Confirm button to proceed with the resell. Once the transaction goes in, this pNFT will show in the marketplace for sale. The transaction has been completed successfully. Let's check and visit the marketplace. Now you can see that this painting is now officially for sale and is priced at 300 USDT. Once someone buys your pNFT, you will receive the specific amount you have set. It's as quick and simple as that. Stay tuned for more exciting videos to come.